Are you one of the millions of Americans living with diabetes who dread the holiday season, knowing that all the festive treats and meals will send your blood sugar levels soaring? Now is the time to take control of your diabetes management and enjoy the magic of Christmas without overindulging. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to navigating the holiday season with confidence, without sacrificing the joy and traditions that make this time of year so special. You'll learn how to make healthy swaps for your favorite holiday dishes, how to pace yourself when it comes to indulging in sweet treats, and how to stay on track with your medication and exercise routine, even when life gets busy. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to manage your diabetes and enjoy the holiday season with peace of mind, knowing that you're taking care of your health and well-being. As the holiday season approaches, many people with diabetes face a daunting challenge, balancing the joy of festive celebrations with the need to manage their condition. For those living with diabetes, the temptation to indulge in sweet treats and rich foods can be overwhelming, especially during Christmas. However, overindulging can lead to serious complications, including high blood sugar levels, weight gain, and increased risk of heart disease. A common mistake people make when dealing with diabetes during the holiday season is failing to plan ahead. Many individuals assume they can simply make up for it by being more careful with their diet and exercise routine after the holidays. However, this approach can be detrimental to their health, as it can lead to a cycle of overindulgence and guilt. Instead, individuals with diabetes should focus on developing a comprehensive plan that incorporates healthy eating habits, regular physical activity, and stress management techniques. This can include setting realistic goals, tracking progress, and seeking support from healthcare professionals and loved ones. Key points to consider when managing diabetes during the holiday season include being mindful of portion sizes, choosing nutrient-dense foods, and staying hydrated. Individuals with diabetes should also be aware of the glycemic index of different foods and drinks, as well as their impact on blood sugar levels. Furthermore, they should prioritize self-care activities, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises, to help manage stress and anxiety. By taking a proactive approach to managing their condition, individuals with diabetes can enjoy the holiday season without compromising their health. Thanks for watching and learning with us. We're glad you found the video valuable. To stay up to date with more informative content and participate in shaping our future videos, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Your feedback is crucial in helping us create content that meets your needs and interests. Managing diabetes during the holiday season can be challenging, but it's not impossible. In fact, with a solid understanding of the core concepts and principles, you can enjoy Christmas festivities without overindulging. Let's start by breaking down the key terminology and concepts. If you're looking for an effective and easy solution, consider Sugar Defender 24. This supplement is 100% natural and proven to be effective in helping to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, boosting your energy, and supporting metabolic health. With an exclusive blend of carefully selected ingredients, Sugar Defender 24 can be an essential ally in your journey to naturally control and prevent diabetes. To learn more, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment. First, it's essential to understand the difference between blood glucose levels and blood sugar. Blood glucose levels refer to the amount of glucose present in your blood at any given time, while blood sugar is a measure of the glucose in your blood after eating. The American Diabetes Association recommends keeping blood glucose levels between 70 and 180 mg per deciliter, mg/dl, for people with diabetes. To put this into perspective, imagine your blood glucose levels as a seesaw. When you eat, your blood glucose levels rise, and when you exercise or take medication, they drop. Another crucial concept to grasp is carbohydrate counting. This involves tracking the amount of carbohydrates in the foods you eat to determine how they will affect your blood glucose levels. For example, a medium-sized apple contains 21 grams of carbohydrates, which can raise your blood glucose levels by 10 to 15 milligrams per deciliter. By understanding how different foods affect your blood glucose levels, you can make informed choices about what to eat and when. According to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, people with diabetes should aim to get 45 to 65% of their daily calories from carbohydrates. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to some practical strategies for managing diabetes during the holiday season. One of the most effective ways to control your blood glucose levels is to plan your meals in advance. This involves creating a menu that includes a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. For example, you might have a turkey dinner with roasted vegetables, quinoa, and a side salad. By planning your meals, you can avoid overeating and make healthier choices. In addition to meal planning, it's also essential to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. This can help to regulate your blood glucose levels and prevent dehydration, which can exacerbate diabetes symptoms. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider increasing your intake if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, drinking water can help to reduce blood glucose levels by 10 to 20 milligrams per deciliter. Another key strategy for managing diabetes during the holiday season is to get regular physical activity. This can help to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood glucose levels, and boost your mood. Aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week, and consider incorporating activities like walking, cycling, or swimming into your routine. According to the American Heart Association, regular physical activity can help to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 30 to 50%. Finally, let's address some common hurdles that people with diabetes may face during the holiday season. One of the biggest challenges is resisting temptation and avoiding overindulging in high carbohydrate or high-fat foods. To overcome this, try to focus on the flavors and textures of the foods you're eating, rather than the calories or carbohydrates. For example, you might savor the taste of a perfectly roasted turkey or enjoy the crunch of a fresh salad. By shifting your focus away from the food itself and towards the experience of eating, you can enjoy the holiday season without overindulging. In conclusion, managing diabetes during the holiday season requires a solid understanding of the core concepts and principles, as well as some practical strategies for staying on track. By planning your meals, staying hydrated, getting regular physical activity, and focusing on the experience of eating, you can enjoy Christmas festivities without overindulging. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance. Managing diabetes during the holiday season can be challenging, but with the right strategies, individuals can enjoy Christmas festivities without overindulging. Research suggests that people with diabetes are more likely to experience weight gain and blood sugar spikes during holidays, which can lead to long-term complications. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that individuals with diabetes who experienced weight gain during the holiday season had a higher risk of developing cardiovascular disease. To manage diabetes during the holiday season, experts recommend the following steps: plan ahead, stay hydrated, and prioritize physical activity. Dr. David Marrero, a leading expert on diabetes management, suggests that individuals with diabetes should aim to eat smaller, more frequent meals to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, incorporating physical activity into daily routines, such as taking a short walk after meals, can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of complications. For example, a study published in the journal Diabetes Care found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who engaged in regular physical activity had improved glycemic control and reduced their risk of cardiovascular disease. Real-life examples demonstrate the effectiveness of these strategies. Sarah, a 45-year-old woman with type 2 diabetes, reported that she was able to maintain stable blood sugar levels during the holiday season by planning her meals in advance and incorporating physical activity into her daily routine. She stated, "I made a conscious effort to eat smaller portions and choose healthier options, and I also made sure to take a short walk after each meal. It really made a big difference in how I felt during the holidays." By following these strategies and staying committed to their diabetes management plan, individuals can enjoy the holiday season without overindulging and reduce their risk of complications. In addition to these strategies, individuals with diabetes should also be aware of common challenges that can lead to overindulging, such as social pressure and emotional eating. Marrero suggests that individuals with diabetes should develop a support system of family and friends who can help them stay on track with their diabetes management plan. Furthermore, incorporating stress-reducing activities, such as meditation or yoga, can help individuals manage emotional eating and reduce their risk of complications. For example, a study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that individuals with type 2 diabetes who engaged in regular mindfulness meditation had improved glycemic control and reduced their risk of cardiovascular disease. In conclusion, managing diabetes during the holiday season requires a combination of planning, physical activity, and stress management. As Dr. Marrero notes, with the right strategies and support, individuals with diabetes can enjoy the holiday season without sacrificing their health. Managing diabetes during the holiday season can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can enjoy Christmas festivities without overindulging. By incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine, you can maintain your blood sugar levels and make the most of this special time of year. For instance, consider planning your meals in advance to ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need while keeping your carbohydrate intake in check. This might involve preparing healthy dishes at home or selecting restaurants that offer diabetes-friendly options. Additionally, be mindful of your portion sizes and avoid skipping meals, as this can lead to overeating later in the day. By taking these steps, you can enjoy the flavors and traditions of the holiday season while keeping your diabetes under control. Remember, managing your condition is not about deprivation, but about making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. Don't let diabetes hold you back from experiencing the joy and magic of Christmas. Take control of your health today and start enjoying the festivities with confidence. To learn more about managing diabetes and staying healthy during the holidays, be sure to check out our additional resources and tips, including expert advice on meal planning, exercise, and stress management. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content on natural health and wellness. Your support is essential for us to keep sharing valuable information. And don't forget to check out our next video for more tips and strategies for a healthier life. See you there.